Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your art school business. While running an art school business, you get a lot of inquiry about classes, pricing and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. As soon as a user send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a chatbot for your art school business. This chatbot will automatically respond to people who want to inquire about the art school, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its proper working. For that, we need to open WhatsApp web. I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have typed the key message, I got a response reply which says that hello and welcome to Pabbly Art School. With that, I got 3 action buttons out of which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I want to know about course information. I will select course information. After selecting the course info, I got a response message which gave me detailed about course information. With that, I got 3 action buttons, out of which I'm going to select art supply. After selecting the art supply, I got a PDF in which they have sent me their catalog. Here you can see all the details of their product available with pricing. After seeing their catalog, let's say I want to order something. I will click on order now. After clicking on order now, I got a message that please list item you would like to purchase. For example, let's say I wanted to purchase all this item. After sending them the list, they have replied me with a message that they will contact me for availability and payment detail. And also with that, I got an action button which can be used for contacting the support. As you can see, the chatbot is replying me within seconds, that too without any manual effort. That is the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, open a new tab. You have to enter pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I already have my account with Pabbly, I will click on sign in. After clicking on sign in, you will be redirected to all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But today, as I am working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button over here. As soon as you clicked on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. On dashboard page, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place without opening any WhatsApp app separately. To add your WhatsApp number, you can click on Add WhatsApp Number button which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, you can see there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID manually. Whereas in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to open your Meta Business Manage account and connect your WhatsApp business account automatically. Okay, not only that, we have many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below the dashboard, there is an inbox feature where you can manage all your conversation with customer and you don't need to open WhatsApp separately. After that, there is a contact feature where you can create all new contacts and separate them according to their requirement. After contact, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, there is a template section where you can create customized template that can give personalized touch to your chat. After template, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have flow section, which is a powerful tool to create chat flow. Below flow, there is AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got the overview for each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on Flow option and you will be landed on Flow Builder page. Here you can create your flow by clicking on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be landed on this page where you can see a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give a personalized touch to your chat. After choose template, there is a regex. Regex is a regular expression with a special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message which your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As I'm making this chatbot for art school, I will name my chat flow accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your art school. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter my regex, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. After entering regex, I want to deliver a message to my customer which welcome them and tell a basic detail about our arts. For that, I'm going to select media button from message section and drag and drop over here. After that, I'm going to connect my flow start with this media message. While putting a media message, we can make our chart much more attractive to our customer. Over here, I'm going to browse my image. For that, I'm going to select. As you can see, my image is selected successfully over here. With that, I'm going to add my content by clicking on Add Contact button, which welcome my customer. Like that, I'm going to add few action button by clicking on Add Button option, which says Course Info. I'm going to add my next button option by clicking on Add Button, which says Fee and Timings. I'm going to add my last button over here, which says Connect Support. After giving 3 action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option over here and select the media button. By selecting the media button, I will insert an image, and for that I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will add my content. As I am giving information about the course, I will add all the details that are required to know about the course like this. And with that, I'm going to add action button by clicking on Add Button option, Class Booking. On the next action button, I will add supplies, and on the third action button, I will put Connect Support. After completing this, I will move to my next action button, which is Fee and Timing. For that, I'm again going to drag and drop this option and select the text button, in which I will enter fee and timing detail. Something like this. As you can see, I have put few message between stars to give my chat a bold effect. After that, I will add action button by clicking on Add Button option and enter Class Booking. On the next action button, I will enter Connect Support. Fee and Timing, I want to book. For that, I need few details of my customer. For that, I will go to Action section and select Ask Question over here and connect with my Class Booking action button. That means as soon as someone click on booking, they will be asked this question. Over here, I will enter my message. Great, we did love to have you. Please reply with name. As I have asked my customer about their name, I will select Contact Custom field as name and format as any. After knowing their name, I want to know about their age. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this Ask Question button over here and connect with my previous message and enter my message as please reply with age and select my Contact Custom field by age and format as any. After knowing their age, I want to know preferred date they want to join. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this Ask Question over here and connect with my previous question and enter my message as please reply with preferred date and select my Contact Custom field as date and format as any. After knowing the preferable date, I want to know preferable time slot. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message as please reply with preferable date. After that, I'm going to select contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. After knowing I got enough information about my customer, and because of that, I will send them a message that their booking has been confirmed. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter my message as this. That means I have got all the desired information about my customer. After that, I'm going to add a separate message for contact support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the text button and enter a message that our support team will contact them within few minutes. And I'm going to connect all my contact support button with the similar message. Something like this. Here I have entered all the desired information that would be needed to run this chatbot for art school. After that, don't forget to save your flow. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.